Welcome back all of you. What if this kind of question appear in exam and you are not allowed to use the calculator? So how you are going to solve it? Let's see. If 2 to the power 18 minus 4 is equal to 0, we will see the solution of this question in this video. We are going to split the power using power rule. That power of a power rule is if a raised to power m raised to power n, this is equal to a raised to power m times n. We can split the power 18 as 2 to the power 9 whole to the power 2, because after multiplying the powers will be again equal to 2 to the power 18. It means that we can write 2 to the power 18 as 2 to the power 9 whole to the power 2, and 4 is equal to 2 to the power 2. Here we are going to apply difference of square formula. Suppose this 2 to the power 9 is a, so a square, and this 2 is b, so a square minus b square, which is equal to a plus b times a minus b. Let's write this in the form of a plus b times a minus b. 2 to the power 9 plus 2 times 2 to the power 9 minus 2. 2 to the power 9 means multiplying 2 9 times by itself. This will give us 512 plus 2 bracket 2 to the power 9 again 512 minus 2 bracket close. 512 plus 2 514, and after subtracting these two numbers we have 510. Now it is a bit difficult to multiply these two big numbers without calculator, so we are going to simplify it. We can write 514 as 500 plus 14, 510 as 500 plus 10. Now we are going to use distributive law of multiplication to multiply all these numbers. 500 multiplied by 500, 14 multiplied by 500. Then 500 by 10 and 14 multiplied by 10. Let's multiply. 500 multiplied by 500 plus 14 multiplied by 500 plus 500 multiplied by 10 plus 14 multiplied by 10. 5 times 5 is 25, and we have 2 and 2 40, plus 14 times 5 is 70, 20, plus 5 10 times is 50, 20, plus 14 10 times is 140. Now the next step is to add all these numbers. Let's add 2,50,000 plus 7,000 plus 5,000 plus 140. And if we add all these numbers, this will be equal to 0. Here we have 4, 1, 7 plus 5, 12, 1 carry, 5 plus 1, 6, and here we have 2. So this is equal to 2,62,140, which is the final and required value. I hope all the steps are clear. If you have any question, any query, feel free to ask to me in the comment box. Visit this channel for more informative videos. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.